Hello everyone, my name is Dean Pinnell. I'm the president of the Disney Club, and this is a little get to know us video to let all of you know that are interested in joining the club what our club is all about and our goals for the upcoming year. So I am Dean, I'm the president of the Disney Club. I'm a senior communication and English writing double major, and some of my favorite Disney things are listed below. And then this is Grayson. She is our vice president and she's a junior bioengineering major. And finally, we have Angelina, who is the business manager of the Disney Club, and she's a sophomore biology major and French minor. So about the Disney Club, we are an undergraduate social club here at Pitt, and we officially started in the spring of 2019. And in a normal year, we would plan for a spring break trip. Because of coronavirus this past year, we weren't able to follow through with our trip, and it most likely won't be happening this upcoming spring. But other than that, that is normally what we would be striving to do and fundraising for throughout the year. But we also are interested in conducting a service project in whatever way that the members of our group want to pursue, whether that's fundraising or actually doing something, whatever that may be. We can talk about that more during our general body meetings. And so our plans for fall of 2020, we are planning to meet via Zoom throughout the entire semester. And we usually meet once or twice a month, depending on, the season, like midterm season and all of that. So we are going to send out Zoom links probably the week of the meeting. But we'll talk about the upcoming meeting at the meeting previous. And we are, even if Pitt changes the posture that we're in, we do plan on continuing to be on Zoom for the entire semester. And as far as our meeting goes, we plan on having, Kahoot trivia, streaming parties, and just, general conversation about, what's going on with Disney and the news. So, yes. Um, so if you are interested and want to get involved, you can be added to the Disney Club's roster and you can go to our page and engage and click contact and select interested in getting involved. And to access engage, you can just go to studentaffairs.pitt.edu, go to student organizations and resources to clubs and organizations, and then student organization directory, or you can go to the link below, or you can also email me at wdp11@pitt.edu if you have any further questions in the meantime. So I hope all is well and that you're staying safe out there, and have a magical rest of your day at the activities fair.